Good morning, students. In this module, we will continue with exercise 16.3. We will be doing some more sums up to sum number 17. So, first I will be doing for you the 11th sum. So, you can see in your book 11th sum. Let me read the sum for you first. From a square cardboard of side 21 centimeter, a circle of maximum area is cut out. Find the area of the cardboard left. There is a square cardboard and its dimension is given to be of side 21 centimeters and a circle of maximum area. That means the sides of the circle should be touching. The boundary of the circle should be touching the square, sides of the square, inside. Find the area of the cardboard left. If this circle is cut out, what will be the area of the cardboard left? That's what we are asked to find. So, we can take a square. It's given that the side is 21 centimeter. Length of its side is 21 centimeter and inside I have drawn a circle for you and it is told this circle is cut out. We are asked to find the area which is left. Now, its given side is 21 centimeters for the square. Then what will be the area of the square? Area of a square, as you know, formula is side into side. So, we have 21 into 21 which is 441 centimeters square. Now, coming to the circle inside. Here, as we see the circle, its diameter will be equal to the side of the square. The diameter of the circle will be equal to the length of the side of the square because this will be touching the end and this also will be touching the end, and we know the longest chord inside the circle is the diameter. So, the diameter of the circle will be 21 centimeters and radius will be 21 by 2. So, we have 10.5 centimeter to be the radius of the circle. Now, what is the area of the circle? We know the formula for area of the circle is pi r squared. So, 22 by 7 into 10.5 into 10.5 when we multiply, we can cancel 10.5 with 7, we get 1.5 here. When we multiply all this, we get 346.5 centimeters square. That is the area of the circle. Now, how to find the area of the cardboard left? We have to subtract the area of the circle from the area of the full square. So, area of cardboard left is equal to 441 minus 346.5 centimeters square, which is 94.5 centimeters square. That is the area of the cardboard left. That's what we are asked to find. Now, we can see the 14th sum in your book. A wire is in the form of a rectangle 18.7 centimeters long and 14.3 centimeters wide. If this wire is reshaped and bent in the form of circle, find the radius and the area of the circle so formed. We have a long wire and this wire is actually made in the form of a rectangle. Initially, it is in the form of a rectangle and the dimensions of the rectangle are given as length to be 18.7 centimeters and breadth to be 14.3 centimeters. So, for the rectangle, the dimensions are given. Then we are told the same wire is bent to form a circle. So, first what we need to do is find the perimeter of the rectangle. We are going to find only the boundary because it is just a wire. We are not going to take the whole area. It's just the boundary. So, we will find the perimeter of the rectangle. Then, this same wire only is bent into the form of to form a circle. So, this perimeter will be equal to the perimeter of the circle so formed. So, we can take the perimeter of the circle again, and from that we can deduce and find out the formula, find out what is the radius and what is the area of the circle. So first we will take up the rectangle. Length is 18.7 centimeter, breadth is 14.3 centimeters. So perimeter is 2 into L plus B, as we know already. 2 into length is 18.7 plus breadth 14.3 centimeters, which is 2 into 33, that gives 66 centimeters. And we come to the circle, the same wire only. Now if we take the perimeter, that means the length of the wire, the whole wire is 66 centimeter. So the perimeter, that means the circumference of the circle, which is again formed, that will be 66 centimeters. So formula for circumference we know, 2 pi r. Therefore 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 66 radius. So radius will be equal to, taking 7 to the other side, it will become multiplied, and 2 and 22 to the other side, it will become divided. So 66 into 7 by 2 into 22. We can cut 22, it goes 3 times here, 66, and 3 into 7, 21 by 2. So we have 10.5 centimeters to be the radius of the circle. That is the first answer we have found. Next, we are asked to find the area. Area is pi r square. So pi is 22 by 7 into r, 10.5 into 10.5 when we multiply. We can cut again with 7. It is going 1.5 times. When we multiply all, we get 346.5 centimeters square. So that is the area of the circle which we are asked to find. Now you can see the 15th sum. The diameter of a circular park is 84 meters. On its outside there is a 3.5 meter wide road. Find the cost of constructing the road at rupees 245 per meter. 240 per meter square. First we are given the diameter of a park, and around that park a circular path is going. It is outside the park. There is a small road. Now we are asked to find the area of that road which is outside the circular park, and we are also asked to find the cost of constructing the road if it is 240 rupees per meter square. So first we need to find the area of that circular road which is running outside the circular park. So if we take the park to be the inner circle, inside the circle is the park, and outside this circle is the road. So we can take the smaller radius, that is the radius of the inner circle. If we take that to be smaller, and the bigger circle, that is the outside circle, if we take that radius to be capital R, then we can find, there is a formula for finding area of a ring. Such figures that are made with two concentric circles. These circles are called concentric circles. One circle is within another circle. In such cases, the area between these two circles is called a ring. So area of a ring formula is pi into capital R squared minus small r squared, where capital R is the radius of the outer circle and small r is the radius of the inner circle. Here we are given the diameter for the inner circle, which is the park. So diameter is equal to, small d is equal to 84 meters, then small r, the smaller radius will be 84 by 2, which is 42 meters. Then what is the radius of the outer circle, including the road. If we include the road also, what will be the radius from the center to the outer circle? We need to add the radius of the inner circle with 3.5. Both have to be added. Only then we will get the full radius from the center to the outer circle. That will be 42 plus 3.5, which is 45.5 meters. That is the outer radius. Therefore, we can find the area of this way or the road by using the formula for finding area of the ring. So, area of road is equal to 22 by 7 into big R squared is 45.5 square minus small r square is 45 square, which is 22 by 7 multiplied with 45.5 whole square is 2070.25 minus 42 square is 1764. So, when we multiply, we are getting that, and when we subtract, we get 306.25. So, 22 by 7 multiplied with 306.25, we can cancel with 7 here, we get 43.75 when we cancel, and when this is multiplied with 22, we get 962.5 meters square. So, that is the area of the road which we are asked to find. We are also asked to find the cost of construction, where it is given rupees 240 per meter square. For 1 meter square it is 240. So, for this much area it will be 962.5 into 240, which is rupees 2,31,000 that is the cost for constructing the road. So, I will stop with this, students. You can do the remaining sums up to the 17th sum. So, some model I have done for you, and you can follow that and you can do the remaining sums. With that, we will be finishing mensuration. Thank you, students.